Hey all, my name is Ryan. My wife and I are the owner of the Goldwater at Phoenix Country Club Manor. And today I want to take you a little bit of tour on the neighborhood and also talk to you about this 71 fully restored Bronco that I am including with the sale of the house. Now, why am I doing that? Well, number one, when I move, I definitely will not have space for the Bronco, and that's super unfortunate. And number two, I honestly believe that this Bronco is made for this house, and let me show you why. So what I thought I'd do here with my daughter's story, because she loves to ride in the Bronco, is to give you guys a little tour of the Manor neighborhood. Now, the Manor neighborhood is one of the best features about this house. We live in a gated community right in central Phoenix, 12th Street and Osborne. And this gated community has 60 well-maintained houses, no HOA. Again, our house is right on the golf course. But the best thing about this neighborhood is that pretty much everyone in this neighborhood is friends. You see people running and walking, kids running from one house to the next house. I always catch my daughter running over to her friend's house. So I wanted to kind of give you a little tour of the neighborhood and also give you a tour of the Bronco, which will be included in the sale of this house. All right, Story, you ready?
Yeah, I gotta get Jack back there.
Oh, you're gonna bring the dog?
Come on. I'll take you, puppy. Oh, Dad, the leash is over there. Can you get it?
All right, so here we go. I'm with Story and my dog Jack, and we're gonna give you a tour of the Manor neighborhood and also kind of give you a taste of what it's like to drive the Bronco. So one of the things about this Bronco, when I first got it, it's 3 on the tree, which if you haven't driven that, it's actually pretty easy. But if you've driven a stick, it is a little bit of a learning curve. So let's get going here. So I'm just gonna kind of make a loop around the Manor neighborhood here, give you a tour of what it's like in the Bronco as well. So Story,
Yeah?
what's your favorite thing about living in this neighborhood?
It's that there's a lot of friends that I know, and I don't know, I just like it.
What do you like to do with your friends?
I like to play with them.
What is Jackie's favorite thing about the neighborhood?
I'm going around the block with Mom.
Oh, he loves to go around the block?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does like to do that. So basically what we're doing is, you'll see I'm not going super fast. There's, I think, about like 60 houses in this neighborhood, and what we're doing is just kind of making, a quick loop around. You'll see that all these houses here are all completely different. We're actually on the other side of the loop here, so this isn't the Country Club side that the Goldwater house is located on. This is the side opposite of that. But you can see, like, there's some pretty amazing houses here. You know, this one is quite beautiful. Yeah, this is, what's that?
This is my friend's house.
Yeah, we've been there. And what about this house? Do you know anything about that house?
Yes.
What can you tell me about that house?
It's that they have, I know those people, their names are
Sam and Alex?
Sam and Alex, and they have a dog named Lupa.
Yeah, what about this house here?
This is Sienna's old friend Samantha's house.
Yeah, that's her friend Samantha, yeah. So now we're basically gonna make our way around. This right here, if I were to take a right, would have been, you can see back there, that's the gate. So now we're actually looping around to the Country Club side. One of the fun things about this neighborhood is on Halloween, the gates open up. Literally thousands and thousands of people come in. We give candy. I think we probably spend almost $1,000 on candy, and but it's really fun. And then after everyone leaves, the adults kind of retreat to one of the neighbors' house who generally throws a good party. So there's some really cool houses here. This one actually was a tear down. This is an amazing house. This is a Beetle house. The people that have lived here have lived there for probably 50 years. This is our direct neighbor house. And again, we're coming back to our house, which is right here. This is the Goldwater house. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Bronco and pull it right back into the garage. And here we are, store. And here's that. I'm not sure if you've seen that, but this is the viewing garage window, so you can actually see that from within the house. There's fireproof doors that we put in that are glass, and you can actually see right into the garage. So that's why I think that this Bronco needs to go with this house, is that this house is meant to have someone standing in there and looking out at this car. So I'm standing here in my garage. One of the coolest thing about the Goldwater house is that it has this viewing garage. You can actually see it right here behind me. And what I love to do is stand inside there, inside the house, and look at the Bronco. So what I want to be able to do for the buyer is give them that same opportunity. When they are standing inside as well, I would love for them to be able to park the Bronco right over here and be able to view it from inside that house. So one of the coolest things about this house is this viewing garage. So you can see I actually have the garage open, but I actually love sitting in here and being able to look out here at the Bronco that's sitting in the garage.